Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Shahzeb Bilal from Radio Public School, Anantnag, and today I am standing in front of you to delve into a topic of utmost importance. The topic that has been trying to captivate our attention since past years and decades. And today I stand in front of you with the opportunity to shed light on this topic and to drag your attention towards it. Ladies and gentlemen, I am going to talk about millets for health and a sustainable planet. So please let me start my presentation by answering a one simple question. What are millets? According to the scientific terminology, millets have been defined as the small seeded grass or plants that belong to the botanical family Poaceae. Oftenly known as ancient grains, these millets are one of the oldest cultivated crops present on Earth that are widely cultivated across Asia and Africa. The audience, millet is the crop that has constituted a very rich source of food and fodder for millions of resource-poor farmers across the nation. And it is the crop that has constructed the ecological and the economical security of our nation, India. Talking about the nutritional profile of this millet, science itself defines millet as the powerhouse of nutrition, because it's continuously boasting a rich profile of those components which are essential for the human health. Millets contain complex carbohydrates that provide a sustained energy. They contain essential proteins that are necessary for building body. They contain vitamins that take off some actions and functions that are necessary in our body. They contain abundant minerals such as calcium and magnesium and whatnot. Millet is basically a treasure trove of unbound blessings and unbound benefits. And let's start with the health benefits. Scientific studies have continuously shown and proven that incorporating and involving millets into your diet can mitigate the risk of various death-causing diseases. Let me explain. Millets are a rich source of dietary fiber. They contain two types of fiber, the insoluble fiber and the soluble fiber. The insoluble fiber that's present in the millet provides good bacteria in your gut that reduces the risk of colon cancer. Secondly, the soluble fiber lowers the cholesterol level in your body. It means it prevents your body from cardiovascular disorder and death-causing disease. Millets are a rich source of magnesium. The role of the magnesium in body is the smooth functioning and relaxing of blood vessels. When the blood vessels will relax, then it will promote the smooth circulation of blood throughout your body. It means that it prevents any heart failure and death-causing disease. Millet is popularly known for its low glycemic index. That makes it ideal for managing blood sugar level. So basically, it's a blessing for those people who are suffering from metabolic disorders and diabetes. Even my grandfather, he is a diabetic patient, and I suggested him to use millets, and we will see the results in a few weeks. Millets also contain components like B vitamins, iron, magnesium that support brain health, and vitamin B. It takes care of each and every action ranging from your brain functioning to the healthy cellular division and everything in between. Millets contain amino acids. That is a gift from nature to the bodybuilders, to the fitness freaks. And most importantly, remember that these millets have antioxidants which help them combat oxidative stress. It has two types of tasks in our body. First of all, it fights against the oxidative stress, which reduces the risk of any cancer, any chronic disease like cancer. And the second task is that they prevent cellular damage and enhance the body's resilience against aging. It means that millets keeps you young for a long time. So eat millets, live young, live healthy. But now a question arises in our mind that how do these millets make our earth a sustainable planet? I may answer your question. Millets are proven to be drought resistant. It means that they require less water and are suitable for arid regions, the regions that have the scarcity of water and rain. Millets are proven to have low input needs. They require minimum fertilizers and hence creating and promoting an eco-friendly environment. It's a great effect. Second, they are climate resistant. They can withstand any extreme climate and also can withstand on a poor soil. They promote biodiversity, they enhance soil health and whatnot. They have a major impact on soil. But the story of millet does not end here. I will display a pie chart in front of you. This is a pie chart. You simply need to study the pie chart. You can see that the blue portion is dominating the major part of this whole pie chart. And do you know what it's representing? It is representing India. Let me explain. Ladies and gentlemen, today I as an Indian standing in front of you, I am proud, cheerful and joyful to say that my nation, my country India is the world's largest producer in millets, contributing 19% production of millets globally in 2024. But how does it affect our nation and the people living in our nation? Let me explain. First of all, cultivation, harvesting and all other tasks related to these millets create job opportunities in rural areas. It fixes and targets, addresses a major problem of our nation, that's known as the unemployment. Unemployment is fixed. Rural areas, the people of rural areas and other areas, they are employed simply. Second, it boosts the economy of our country. It means it increases the chances of our nation to be among the developed nations. It increases, then remember that it reduces the country's dependence on imported materials and increases its independence on the things that are made in India. As I remember a line said by Kailash Kher in his song that was Atmanirbhar Bharat. He says that Swadeshi apnane lage hum videshi bagane lage. It means that simply this millet is increasing our independence on the things that are made in India and it reduces our dependence on the things that are outside the India. Last thing I would like to say that we have learned what are millets, what are the health benefits, how does it make Earth a sustainable planet and what are its effect on its economy. So simply increased production of millets can contribute majorly on health, can contribute majorly on a sustainable planet.